Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and this is another garden video update. Alright you guys, so now I'm just showing you the progress of the seedlings that I sowed indoors. Some seeds have germinated, others are taking a little longer, but they're gonna get there, you know. Now what I sowed in these cups are cucumber, habanero peppers, sugar baby watermelon, zucchini, tomatoes, beans, and eggplants. If you want a complete detail, please check out my video from last week. Now these are the seeds that I planted indoors. Alright you guys, let's move on to the potatoes and the cabbage. As you can see, the cabbage seeds did germinate. I have not yet seen any leaves of the potatoes, but hopefully they make it to the surface soon. And I believe I planted 4 cabbage seeds in this one container. Alright you guys, let's move on to the mint. There are no leaves on the mint. I really do hope the mint grows back, and yeah, but as of now it's nothing but sticks. Oh wait a minute, there's a little leaf right down there. I don't know, that could be a weed. Don't stop me lying. Alright, moving on to the milk crate. As you can see, nothing has germinated as of yet. And if you need a reference in what was in my containers, please go back to the previous video. I will link it here. But in the crates, it definitely was tomatoes, basil, and I didn't do the asparagus yet. Alright, but in this container, I know for sure this is going to be the zucchini and the sugar baby watermelon and dill. This container, it is spring onions, beets, and carrots. And I'm excited about the beets because I need something for my iron. And this container is going to be radishes. Keep in mind, once the radishes don't take long to grow, so once that's done, I'm going to plant something else in there. Now that is my bean pot here, this blue one. Nothing's germinated. And this tower here is going to be my pepper tower with different types of pepper, especially my habanero pepper, which is my favorite, and spinach and oregano that I spread throughout. Okay, moving on to my herb container, and I did plant lettuce, thyme, Swiss chard, sage, and chives. The kale was there from last year and it grew back, so at least I get to harvest it or let it go to seed and have some seeds for next year, or maybe this year, who knows. Alright you guys, let's get into the rosemary update, and so far so good. Now I'm waiting for the rosemary just to get a little bit bigger with a little bit more roots before I repot it, so that way it won't be so crowded in this one little pot. But I don't want to do it too soon and you know they don't make it. And in that third pot is my jade plant, and I'm trying to regrow it back because I didn't killed it so many times. Now, as you guys can see, the rosemary that I propagated in the soil is not looking good. So I'm going to probably take that out soon. Or just keep it in and see what happens until it officially, I guess, wither away. I don't know. You guys, see what I mean? Look how, like, that's not a healthy propagation. Like, I don't know what happened. For some reason, I am having a hard time propagating rosemary. It's not working out for me. Now, keep in mind, they are store-bought cuttings, but the mint did very well. But I just have a hard time with the rosemary. Alright, you guys, if you made it this far in the video, do subscribe, okay? It does help my channel. You can give it a thumbs up too. The good part about subscribing is that it is free for you, okay? Now, I do post consistently, so you won't miss me. Also, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates. But this is really it, you guys. Have a good day.